No more blurry, low quality old photos. Enhanced low quality photo to 4K and 8K high quality. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. I hope all of you fine. Request for new subscribe to support this type of interface after click on AI enhancer on the 4D DIC file repair tool. In this video, I'm gonna show you the photo enhancer. As you can see, we have various kind of formats support available in the photo enhancer. I'm gonna do drag and drop. After that, this type of interface, three different AI models available, general for all type of photos, no matter it's landscape, portrait, or the blurry photo. And then we have the face model specifically designed and tailored for the portrait photos exist the face. And then we have denoise model basically for removing the noise or high ISO. Alongside that, we have various AI enhancement options like you want softer look or the sharper look, as well as 2 times and 4 times of resolution, 4K and 8K high quality. Two more options underneath that you can apply the same setting to all of the photos. You can import multiple photos and process in the batch. At the same time, you can only do with the one. This will take some time and show you the side by side comparison what you can expect. This photo enhancer for the DIC photo enhancer. We cover the details brilliant. We have the side by side comparison as well as by the slider. Let me try on another photo. As you can see here, again, I'm going to try a face model with the sharpen preference, and this will take few seconds to minutes depending on your device specs. As you can see here, the details recovered by 4D is amazing on the face level. Even on the clothes, the detail is really sharp compared to before, I think so. You can let me know what do you think about it. Overall, remove the noise and improve the details. Let's try now general model with the quality metro priority. After click on enhance, this will take some time again. Now you can see it pretty much difference is clear in the very first scene. As you can see here, the overall background details recovered in the after enhancement way better, sharp and detailed. In general model, overall details recovered, noise removed and improved the detail. I think so. And overall look, as have seen multiple AI video or photo enhancers, this one is doing really great job. Now let me show you how you can save the photo. Click on save button and choose the directory. Click on save button to save. This will take some time for processing because now actual enhancement process is going on. This is depending on your device specs. Here's some photos side by side. I enhance using 4D photo enhancer. First of all, general model, overall photo details improved. Remove the noise. In the face model, face looks really sharp. Clothes detail also is really amazing, no doubt. And the last model, which is the denoise, this is for basically removing the noise, removing artifacts from your photo. This is the video for today. I hope you really like it. Subscribe, like, share with others. See you soon with a new video.